much of anything is poisonous. My question is, does it apply to beauty? And if it does, tell me what you think about this unit. It is exactly 5 days old from the time the home entered the market, and the developer is selling it at 17.5 million Kenya shillings. Developed on a 50 by 100 lot of land. This is exactly what you get when all the stakeholders are working in cohesion with each other. From the main entrance, which is a sliding gate, you are getting 3 parts of this compound. On this side you have the front yard, and this is where you will have your green spaces and your flowers if you enjoy doing some orchards. On the far end is a space which has been reserved for a mini gazebo. You can add it there or do a request to the developer when you purchase this unit. The centerpiece here is supposed to be your parking area to fit up to 7 cars. Big cars, and that is something we tried. On the far end, you have a walkway from the main gate all the way to the main entrance, and that should be used by the people who will be entering the home on foot. Details are very, very important in construction, and you can see how the developer did this artificial grass in combination with the steps to the main entrance. This has been reserved for anything that you would want to wash out here, especially if you have many cars and you do not want to take them to the car wash, or it's a free day and you want to do something kunyorosha misuri. Before I take all of you inside, I want us to take a minute and just look at this unit. Let's admire it. Let's try to compare it with everything that you have gathered in your head for the past 1 month. Do you think there is any development which would come close to what this developer did? If yes, make sure you comment down below. And if no, this is your time to go to our first comment, take our number and call us right now, because this will be out of the market very soon. I'll take you inside. Light is a very important factor in housing these days. The excess of it gives you the indoor-outdoor environment that everyone is looking for. From this living room, you can see that the combination of that door and the massive window is giving you a ton of natural light. At the center, you have a light fixture, and in combination with the side light and the recess lights, you are getting enough light during the night. This is the focal point. It has been designed to fit your 85-inch TV, and below it you have a modern fireplace. Additional shelves have been provided over there to add your paintings, decorations, or something else that you would want to put down there. On this side, the living room is opening to the dining area, perfect space for family interaction, and from here you enjoy the views of the living room, and on the other side you enjoy the views of the kitchen. This is my favorite space. On my far end here, you have a small vanity, a smart mirror, a massive window for enough natural light, a beautiful center light, and this opening which should act as a breakfast table. This home is targeting a big family, and for it to achieve that, the kitchen must be a masterpiece, and this developer came very close to that. On this side, you have the refrigerator area, big enough to fit a double door. The kitchen comes fully fitted with an oven, microwave. On the other side, you have your cooking area, which comes with a 6-burner cooktop and a heat extractor. The developer reserved all that side for your washing and all this other side for your storage. That's where you have the pantry. This space also comes with a door that is opening to the clothesline area and the laundry area. On the far end, you have a small cage, and that's where you should keep your gas cylinders. This is the clothesline area, and you can fix it when you want to put your clothes up here and set it down when you want to use this area for other purposes. The laundry area is on this side, big enough to fit your washer and dryer, and this space also gives you an access to the third bedroom, which is targeting your employees. For the last 2 months or so, we have showcased so many units from different localities, but this is the only unit that comes with 2 primary bedrooms. You have 1 bedroom on the lower level, and we have a bigger primary bedroom on the upper level. On this other side, we have 2 other bedrooms that are targeting the kids. So we will start from the first primary bedroom here, and then I'll show you the rest of the unit. For the people who like watching the shorter version of these videos, always check out our TikTok or our Instagram. At the entrance of the lower primary bedroom, you have its bathroom. Done very well. A shower cubicle will be added here on request. You have your showering area, a WC at the center, and a wash basin. The sleeping area is massive. Done very well. I'm loving the size of these closets because they give you enough spaces for the hangable clothes and some spaces over here for the foldable clothes. On this other side of the unit, you have a massive window to give you enough natural light. You have some side lights to improve your moods when you are sleeping, and this is where you should do your bed. The reason for designing 2 primary bedrooms is for the extended families. If you live with your parents, they can sleep over there, and you and your partner can sleep on the other primary bedroom, or vice versa depending on your preferences. You have a Jack and Jill bathroom over here, and it is targeting to be used by the people who will be living in this guest bedroom or the employee quarters, and to act as the common washroom to this unit. It comes fully fitted as everything else that you've seen, with a small shower cubicle area over there and all washroom stuff over here. As I mentioned, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom, so it can be accessed from this bedroom, which is targeting the guest or your employees, or out there. As you can see, it comes with the smallest closet in this unit, and you also have another door here which can be used to access outside. So if you have employees, they can access the unit from this door. From the first bedroom, you have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. This is an extra storage for your shoes. This home comes with an electric fence, and its controller is in the kitchen pantry. You have your internet connections over here. You are also going to get a solar water heater. This is the third bedroom on this level, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the primary bedroom on this level. The only difference is that this bedroom is slightly smaller, just a tiny bit smaller than the primary bedroom on this level. If you have big kids, this would be a perfect space for them. The window is massive for enough natural light. You are facing the west, so you will enjoy the best sunset. The closet is massive for teenagers, and the gypsum ceilings have been done excellently. The fun fact of this unit is that you only get the primary bedroom on this level, and it is here. Its bathroom is the biggest. You are getting a big vanity, a smart mirror that comes with a defroster, a WC at the center, a small space where you can do a mini jacuzzi, and this is the showering area which comes with a rain shower. The primary bedroom also comes with a walk-in closet, and the highlight is this floor-to-ceiling window. It gives you a ton of light, especially when you are dressing in here. This is a one-way window, so if someone is outside, they wouldn't see you dressing. And if you want to increase the privacy, you can always add a curtain. On this other side, you have a small dresser that comes with some drawers for your jewelries and some shelves or platforms where you can put your watches, your oils, or your perfumes. This space is enough for your partner, and I like it that the developer provided this space not for your Dasani water, but for any other foldable clothes that you wouldn't want to put in the foldable spaces. The sleeping space in the primary bedroom is just massive. You will do a customized bed here, and On this wall, you can do a small sitting area, add your small TV. The natural lighting and the artificial lighting has been distributed equally to make sure that your mood does not change while you are in this environment. You wouldn't know when the darkness starts and when the dawn rises. For that level of a bedroom, you expect a massive balcony, but that is not enough until you get the best views. You can see the older development that this developer did, and you are also getting the best views of Mugutha locality. Everything here is pristine. This roof deck is interesting and it is giving you enough space for you to do your parties, your relaxing, or any other activities that is in your favorites list. On the far end, you have the pergola done excellently, and on top of it, that's where you are supposed to do your solar panels if you enjoy going green. On the other end, you are getting extra resting space, and it is next to the external washroom. This unit comes with 6,000 liter water tanks up there, and also that's where you do your solar water heaters. For the people who enjoy watching photos, every details of this unit will be found in our website africanrealestate.com. And if you would want to purchase this unit right now, make sure you check out the first comment. As always, never stop watching. This is African Real Estate and my name is Mogai Kihara.